Cabinetry legs play an important role in the appearance and longevity of an outdoor kitchen, so it's important to ensure that they're properly aligned. First, start by making sure that all of the legs are the same height. Then, check to see if the cabinet is level. If it's uneven, twist the front legs to the right if it needs to be higher, or to the left if it needs to be lower. The back legs work the same way, but if they're hard to get to from the outside of the cabinet, you can insert a screwdriver on the inside of the cabinet through the holes in the back and turn the legs until they reach the proper height. You can also use a slotted screwdriver to turn them by inserting it into the slots of the legs from the outside of the cabinet. Continue to make small adjustments until the cabinets are perfectly level. Once the legs are inserted and every cabinet is level and connected with countertop and appliances, the toe kick can be installed to finalize the look of the kitchen. First, with the film still on, place each piece of toe kick in its final position against the legs, measure where they need to be cut for the length and height, and mark them. If a slope is present in the run, your toe kick must be cut at an angle to maintain a proper fit. Once all of your toe kicks are measured and marked, cut them down using a saw with a blade that's suitable for cutting anodized aluminum. Reposition them, measure approximately ½ inch down from the top where the top of the legs meet, and mark them. Next, drill 1/8 inch pilot holes into the toe kicks and legs. Then, remove the film from the toe kicks. For those using the toe kick splices and corners to hide the seams, make sure only one toe kick is connected to the legs at a time, since the adjacent toe kick will need to slide into place. Insert number 8 screws into the holes of the first toe kick and screw them into the legs. Attach the splices and corners to the ends of the adjacent toe kicks and bend the tabs in place. Slide the adjacent toe kicks in place so that the splices and corners line up with the end of the secured toe kicks. Insert number 8 screws into the holes of the remaining toe kicks and screw them into the legs. After you've installed the toe kicks, your kitchen is complete and ready to use.